As a physician, you're very well aware of the importance of health insurance. Becoming ill or injured is not only a terrible catastrophe in your life, but it is a financial catastrophe. Not only is medical care very expensive, but you lose your ability to earn. Because of this, illness and injury can be one of the largest causes of bankruptcy in the United States today. Even physicians need health insurance. The first place to start looking for this is from your employer. Your employer oftentimes will provide you a good health insurance plan and subsidize much of the cost of it. If they are not offering a plan or the plan doesn't seem very good, also check into your spouse's plan. You likely don't need both plans, and you can choose the better of the two. If your employer offers you multiple plans, such as a PPO plan or Preferred Provider Organization, and a high deductible plan, you may want to take a careful look at the high deductible plan. Not only does that have lower premiums due to having a higher deductible, but it also makes you eligible for a very special type of savings account, a health savings account, which is really one of the best accounts out there as far as tax advantages go. It's triple tax-free and should definitely be used if you are going to use a high deductible health plan. By triple tax-free, I mean the HSA gets 3 tax advantages, which is more than any of your retirement accounts get. The first advantage is when you put the money in. That contribution is completely tax deductible on your taxes. You don't have to pay taxes on the amount of money you put in, which is for a family as much as $6,750 a year in 2016. It also grows in a tax-protected manner. As those investments kick off dividends and capital gains and interest, you don't have to pay taxes on that. And then when you pull the money out to spend it on health care, as long as it's spent on health care, you don't have to pay taxes then either. So that's triple tax-free. But when deciding between a more standard plan and a high deductible health plan, the best thing to do is to look at your family. And if the members of your family are healthy and don't use a lot of medical care, the high deductible plan is probably for you. On the other hand, if you or your spouse or one of your children has an expensive chronic illness, you may be better off in a more standard plan, even if you don't get to use an HSA. If you are self-employed, you won't be able to use your employer's health plan, and you'll need to buy one on your own. The Obamacare exchanges that are available in every state are a good place to start your search. However, the truth is most physicians aren't going to get much of a premium subsidy from the government on their taxes because they make too much money. And so it's a great time to use a health insurance agent to search the market for you. It doesn't cost you any more to buy health insurance through an agent, and they can help clarify the often confusing terms of the various policies available in your area.